is who's most likely to. And in this challenge, Sim and I will decide who from the group is most likely to do what is shared on screen. I don't know if you remember Henry Stennett.
Yes, of course I
Went
remember.
to St. George's College, and in the yearbook, he said he wanted to be a broadcaster.
Yeah, well, he did it, didn't he? Who is here on my... Do we have the same people?
No, we don't.
I have Michael Sharp, Jennifer, Saki, Empress Eater, Karen, and Sands. Okay.
Can you put up a picture, please? I want to see this picture, please.
Which picture is that?
Yes, you will see it.
Oh, Jesus.
Simone Clark, alias Simmy Sims, always seen walking around the classroom aimlessly as if she's nomadic. A true friend, track star, songbird. Ambition is a career in the performing arts. Destiny to end up singing duets with the one and only Eddie Fitzroy.
Oh.
And her favorite expression is no longer go there. She don't say that no more. She talk
How's
pure.
that long time ago, you know?
It is a long time.
Long time.
You know, I didn't know you were that old. Truth be told.
You know, you have a nervousness.
I have a
You
nervousness.
call anybody old, right? Yeah, you look better than me, but still, you have 20, 30 years on me.
I look better than you?
Of course.
Bring me up now, bring me up. Let me see. All right, we look good still. Bring her up now, bring her up. No, man, bring me up back quick. Quick, no, man. Aye, we're all right now. Okay, but she's my bona fide sister for 23 years. This is...
I was your bona fide sister.
You're always my bona fide.
Was.
All right, so the game is what now? What we do now? Who is most likely to, and I will tell you is who.
Right.
First one up, crash a party. See me, we're all chasing.
Who is most likely to crash a party?
Wait a minute, this one now, we're all chasing.
Oh, Lord.
Because nobody not inviting him to nowhere, so the only way I'm going to go to the party. So you take him out of, it? Who?
What?
Jenny?
What? Crush it and mash it.
Jenny? Crash party?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes,
Jenny
and
not
she going
crashing,
dance
no.
from its start till it done.
Because Jenny would get invited. Oral is not going to get invited, so the only way I'm going to end up in
You
there.
don't sure Jenny going to invite?
Jenny, I'm a friend.
You don't sure?
Well, Oral.
But everybody can really manage Jenny energy still.
Next one. He's an
I'm
athlete.
stereotyping him. I'm going to go with Madden. Because she works in that field.
Yeah, and it's the same reason I said Jeremy. It's a stereotype, you're right. But, or you say Karen would marry Jeremy?
Who said that?
No, I'm asking if that's what you're saying.
Absolutely not.
But that would be a nice game to know who could end up together.
That's true too.
It's a nice game.
I like that game.
Yeah. So we're going to put Jeremy and Karen together.
No, we're not.
We're going to put Oral by himself.
It wasn't me.
We're going to put Oral by himself. I did it. Jeremy and Karen.
Be a drama queen.
Jenny. For sure,
Can
Jenny.
we use the same
not look
person
on my
twice?
side. Jenny, for sure. Hold on. Drama queen. This is who this down here.
You have any drama kings?
No, man. Jenny, you win.
So you have no drama queen over there?
No.
Tracy is definitely a drama king. What do
but
you
they
mean?
never asked for a drama king, they asked for a drama queen.
Okay.
And the man is not a queen,
All right.
as far as I know.
And you see Delia over there? Did you not use Delia?
Yeah, but Delia is not a drama queen.
Drama is the queen. Delia is the queen of drama.
No, she's drama, but she's not. I don't think that's what they kind of said, drama
She had a
queen.
body, I think.
Yeah.
Massive girl.
Think she
Anyway,
had- Oh, by the way, we're into things. Yeah, and Delia.
who is likely to find a cure for bad mind?
Find a cure for a bad mind?
Who is find a cure?
Miss Faye.
Who's going to try to find a cure?
Auntie Faye go and find a cure for bad mind. No.
But there's more than one person here who I
Auntie
would
Faye,
say.
you are going to find the cure. I feel you find it already, actually. Them just don't know, so you have it comfortable. She's such a wonderful friend, a wonderful person.
She's good people.
She's a brilliant person.
Solid people.
And it is amazing that I can say she's my friend. Get
What
in
does
a
that have to do
fight,
with anything?
or I'll
What
chase
does
you
that
again.
have to do with anything?
What?
Everybody touches your friend over there.
No,
That don't show well for them, you know.
no, not everybody is my friend.
That
over here.
doesn't speak well for them.
And I'm going to say who is not my
So
friend.
in spite of that, they're good
So why you
people.
say who is likely to get in a fight and on the show Karen? You chose Karen?
You mean on this list who is likely to most get in a fight?
But Karen just come up. Karen not fighting nobody. Oral is most likely. Where
Did
Oral
you say
there?
Karen is not fighting nobody?
No. Why should
You don't know, madam.
she not fight nobody?
Don't
See the
make
man who are going to get in a fight. Then. Because here why? And there's a sequence to this. The fact that he never get invited to the party and crash, fight broke.
What about Empress? If you cross her, she will thump you down.
My people, my people, my
I
people.
believe
Yes, man. What
she
a
will-
beautiful picture.
Trust me, she's a sweetheart, but don't cross her.
Well, me no know. Me wouldn't go that far and say sweetheart.
She's a sweetheart.
She has a heart. You don't know about the sweet thing. Have two partners at the same time. You're not going there. Me not go there at all.
Is that a serious question, you guys?
Me not going there.
Okay,
Me
next.
pass that one there. Hold on.
That is.
I mean, you have to have guts for these things. Make a look.
You do it. Me not
Oral
touch that.
again.
What? Be a stand-up comedian? Oh, for sure. This is Saki.
Oral.
Baki.
Oral is a stand-up comedian.
Saki.
Yes, Sakin. Delia. Where's Delia?
Yes, of course.
Delia. Too much oral. We can't buy that oral. Delia.
Saka Baka.
Delia. But right, Delia is a cheat on tests. Oral.
Jesus. None of my people are cheaters.
Cheat on tests. Banana, 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 honey.
We don't need a picture for him. The person on this, the person here is most like,
Prom, pradum, prom,
and you're us.
prom.
Don't. Me! You know me as a cheater on the test?
Just a tease you. Nah, just teasing you. I don't think anyone here would cheat on a test. Would they?
You would. Talk the truth.
I say a man put up something because, you know, them say them have the social distancing now for the exams. A man say, okay, man, if I my time and them and them so far, I want me to get through.
We're going to take a break, everybody. So come.
The people them too far from him. Chef, if can't see nothing.
14.